So here's part 3. We finally got the snow blowing done about in 10-15 minutes ago. Look, you can see that it's already piling up. Within 15 minutes, we've already got that much. But I'll show you what we got done. You can walk down the driveway now. Here in Thornton, 2021 Colorado snowstorm. Yeah, look at this. That's about how high we got. We just did this 15 minutes ago, as I said before, and we already got that much. We did our neighbor's area. You know that. So we came down here, we did our neighbor's area a little bit to help him out. As you can see, it kind of is really bad. Yeah. I don't suggest driving unless you got a tall truck. We ain't getting out of our driveway anytime soon anyway. So I hope you like this. If you do, hit some likes on there. Subscribe to my channel. I'll have more later. There you go. There's that side view again. Down there. Deep, deep. Alright, y'all have a good day. Happy snowstorm.